Did you know that across the US, water and wastewater utilities face a $625 billion funding gap for infrastructure upgrades? With aging systems and growing demands, investing in wastewater and water utilities is more critical than ever. Hi, I'm Rania Bashar. I am a civil engineer and I'm working as a senior program manager with Moonshot Missions. My work focuses on providing technical assistance to water and wastewater utilities, helping them navigate funding challenges, helping them improve operational efficiency, compliance challenges. Many utilities, especially the small and the under-resourced ones, struggle with aging infrastructure, funding needs, and increasingly complex regulations. These challenges don't just affect operations, they impact environmental quality and public health. Moonshot Missions takes a step-by-step approach to help water and wastewater utilities diagnose their system, develop solutions, help them implement the solutions, provide step-by-step guidance on implementation, and help them access funding and resources. This year, I've decided to participate in TWLA. TWLA is equipping leaders like me with the skills and the network to tackle these challenges through collaboration and technical support. If you're a utility in need of technical assistance, you can reach out to us on our website, moonshotmissions.org.